Good afternoon, educators and scholars. This video is intended for our first close reading of We Wear the Mask by Laurence Dunbar. As we already know, during our first reading is to gather a general understanding. During my first reading of the first stanza, I'm going to ask myself, what is going on and how do I know? Now let's read stanza 1 of We Wear the Mask by Laurence Dunbar. We wear the mask that grins and lies. It hides our cheeks and shades our eyes. This debt we pay to human guile. With torn and bleeding hearts we'd smile, and mouth with myriad subtleties. Since this is my first read, I'm going to pause the video so I can get a text box open so I can add what this text is literally saying. Now that we have opened our text through Cami, I'm going to add a text box so that I can demonstrate to my teacher that I have a general understanding of what this text is saying. You can either use the text box to the left or comment, just depending on your teacher's preferences. I'm going to add a comment instead of a text box. Now I'm going to say, based on stanza 1, the speaker is wearing a mask. As a scholar at YMLA, I know that this speaker may not literally be wearing a mask. It may be figuratively, but I may not find that out until my second read. I'm just going to notate in green from stanza 1, line 1. The text literally says, we wear the mask. So it's not just the speaker, it's also the speaker and someone else. So I highlight that in green. This is my first read. Also, there is some key words that may reveal some deeper hidden emotions, such as grins and lies, hides, debt, guile, torn and bleeding hearts. So since those are also some keywords, I'm also going to highlight those in green. Remember, this is my first read. I'm just getting a general understanding of what's going on in the first stanza. You can use highlighting colors as you see fit in your classroom. We chose to use green for the first read. So I'm going to refine my comment. It previously said, based on stanza 1, the speaker is wearing a mask. I'm going to say the speaker as well as others are wearing a mask. I believe it's all about making emphasis with evidence from the text. I believe they are wearing this mask to hide something. I know that based on stanza 1. Again, based on stanza 1, the speaker, as well as others, because it said we, are wearing a mask. I believe they are wearing this mask to hide something.